Hey guys, welcome back to 12 days of Liller-Ween, day 4, you guys. I can't believe we're already on day 4. On today's video, we're going to be making some spooky little rosettes. I wanted to make a variety of videos, you guys. I didn't want to make everything super complex where you needed so many supplies to create a fun Halloween project. So there are going to be some videos in my series that are super easy and quick to make, and you still have an opportunity to create a fun Halloween project. These little spooky rosettes are super easy and fun. You don't really need much supplies to create them. You can use whatever you have in your stash, and I still think they're super adorable. I love to play around with googly eyes, so that is kind of like the little main piece on these little rosettes. So what you're gonna need is a fun little rosette. These have tulle on them. I had purchased these from Kenzie Scraps, and I wanted to use them up because they've been sitting in my stash, and I figured this would be the perfect time to use them. I used some chipboard pieces from, I think these were from Target last year. And then as for my little spider and my bat and my little skull head, they are the die set that I recently hauled from Sassy Crafting by Emma Jewel. So these are the 3 little dies, and they're super easy to put together, you guys. You get your rosette. If you don't have it from Kenzie, you could just put a little piece of tulle on the top. I have a video showing how I make tulle rosettes as well. And you do your crepe rosette, your tulle, and then what you do is you grab your little die piece. Actually, no, what you're gonna do is take your chipboard first, and we're gonna add some glue to that. And you're gonna wanna lay that down on your rosette on the center. Then you're gonna take your little die cut piece, add some glue to that. And you guys, these are super simple, but they look so cute. You can make wands out of them. You could add them to loaded bags or little embellishment books. So that's what you have so far. And then what you want to do is get a little googly eye. I have a whole bunch, you guys. I love me some googly eyes. And let's see, since this one has a little bit of blue on the pumpkin, we're going to add a little blue googly eye right to the center. And then that's it, you guys. You can add a sentiment if you want. You can do whatever you want with it to add extra. But I made them pretty simple because I do get a lot of requests to make simple projects. And look, you guys, that is what it looks like. You just could do the same thing using your little spider die cut, your little skull head die cut. And I think they are super adorable. You can add little ribbon strips to them as well. But that is today's video, you guys. Super quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Today's giveaway prize will be all these rosettes. I'm going to give also a little pack of the little die cuts, as well as some kind of like a DIY kit so you can make your own as well. So I'm going to have some little rosettes for you, some little die cuts, and you're also going to get a shaker. So you're going to get this little trick-or-treat cauldron shaker also as your prize. That is the prize for today. If you want to enter to win this giveaway, just comment down below, enter me, and you will be entered. All winners from the 12 days, the giveaways from the 12 days of Liller-Ween will be announced on October 31st. If you want to know kind of how the series is going, just rewind back to my day 1. I kind of explained what the series is going to be about. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next day. Bye!